Hey friends, it is time for us to add up the totals that we were able to save in our sinking funds for the month of November 2024. We're going to get right down to it. We're going to be using the Bright Undated Budget Planner today. This planner is available on Amazon in a regular bound version, I guess you would say, and then also available in my Etsy shop in the spiral binding. I do only have a couple left of the spiral binding, so if you're interested, go grab it. So we're gonna, as I said, we're gonna move right along. So we are on November. It is now December. I need to get these totals added up because I get paid this week, and yeah, I want to add these up before we add some more money. So I already went ahead and wrote down all of my sinking funds and the starting balance. So this starting balance would have been what I had in the month of October, what I ended with, if that makes sense. So what I ended October with is what I started November with. Hopefully that makes sense. So we started November with $1,625. I am hoping for an increase because I was able to add a bunch of money to my sinking funds in November because it was a magic month. So we're going to see. Let's switch this around since I'm right-handed. Okay. We're going to just get right down to it. We're going to start with this binder, and we are going to start with Amazon. I wonder in editing if I can go ahead and zoom in on this a little bit. I don't know. We're going to see. Okay, so Amazon. We started with $150. This is now fully funded, so $150, $220. So we have $220 here in Amazon. Plus 70, so we're good there. Next, we have Beauty. So Beauty, we started with 110, and let's see what we have now. 20, 40, 60, 80, 125, 30. So 130 in there now, plus 20. And as I said, I am hoping for an increase in almost all of these, if not all, because I believe I stuffed something into, what is this? I don't know. I stuffed something into most of these, so we're just gonna see. Okay, vacay. We had 564. We now have 1, 2, 3, 50, 70, 90, 410, 420, 35, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 455. And let's see, 455. That 564, I did take all of that out and made a payment towards my credit card because I still had to pay off that drink package. And we were able to actually put, I think, the full 455 back in. So that is good, even though this is actually technically a minus. We actually did add that all. Well, okay, I did put 200 in December, but that's because I finished a savings challenge. So we still added a bunch in the month of November, which is good. Okay, subscriptions. We started here with $20, and we have 20, 40, 60 now. So 60, that's plus 40. So lots of pluses. I am liking it. Let me know what you guys have been up to. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, you guys. Like, how is it December 10th? I don't know. It's crazy. Okay, emergency. We started with 50. We now have 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13. 213. So that is a nice increase. And let's see. 213 minus 50. So plus 163. We love to see it. And let me know if you have any good plans for this weekend or anything like that. Debt, I don't stuff. I really should take this envelope out, but I just don't. Medical, we started with 25. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 35, 45. 145, love that. So that is what, plus 120, right? Plus 120. And yeah, this is awesome because as I said, I was able to add a bunch of money. And on top of that, I finished a bunch of savings challenges and added those in also. Groceries, we had nothing. We now have 20. So it is a start to replenishing that. And then taxes. Taxes, we had 355. We now have 5, 6, 650, 670, 690, 710, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 719. And no, I am not going to attempt to do that math in my head. 719 minus 355. So we added $364 in the month of November. Boom. All right, we are done with the first binder. Let's grab the second binder. And I really should move these over to the right so that my arm is not in your way or in your view when I'm grabbing the binders, but maybe I'll do that and maybe I won't. Okay, Penelope, we started with 112. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2. 232. So plus 120, right? Let me check because you never know with me and my math skills. Yes, boom. Okay, plus 120, love it. Car maintenance, 64. I don't think I added anything to this in November. 50, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, never mind. 84. So that's plus 20. Holidays, 100 is what we started with. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 still. So nothing there. Gifts, let's see. We started with 63. And we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70, 1, 2, 3. 173. So plus 110. And then last but not least, we have school. And school, we started with a whopping 12 bucks. And we now have 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 107. Boom. And as I said, a lot of these I had a savings challenge that I finished, and so that combined with a magic month just really made some magic happen. Okay, we are done. Now I do have household and clothing here, and that's because I copied them from my other binder, and I knew I was taking these out and I wasn't sure if I had already done it yet. That's why I wrote these down. But I did remove these from my binder because I decided I'm not going to be using those two sinking funds in 2025. So I'm actually going to go ahead and grab some whiteout. All right, and I'm going to white these out because if I don't white them out next month when I go to copy my starting balances again, I will just copy these down again and forget. And so this way, boom, they're gone. Okay. So now comes the fun part. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add up all of these and see what our ending balance is for the month of November. So hold please. All right, you guys, we definitely had an increase. So our total for the month of November is $26.58, and I am here for that. Yes. So let's see, $26.58 minus $16.25 means we added $1,033 in the month of November to our sinking funds. Yes! Really quickly, I'm just going to go ahead and add these up and just make sure everything jives. Okay, I got 1,034. So that's really weird, but I am not going to worry about it. It may be due to my math. Maybe I did some math incorrectly, and that's okay. We still added over 1K to our sinking funds this month. Yes. Now, that is not going to be the case next month, definitely, because I just did my budget and we are back to kind of the bare bones budgeting in terms of having money to stuff into sinking funds and savings challenges, but that is okay. Remember that every dollar adds up. So every dollar saved will add up. Okay, start small, do what you can do, and I promise it is all worth it. Even if it feels small, even if it doesn't feel like you're making much progress, just look back a few months and I promise you will see that you have actually made some big progress. Okay, that is it for this one, my friends. For the rest of the week, we have a cash stuffing coming. We have a savings challenge stuffing coming. I do have the December member exclusive savings challenges finished. I am working on making all of them and getting them out to you. So I will do the reveal video next week after the cash stuffing and the savings challenge stuffing. So look out for that video. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.